This YouTube channel has built 55,000 subscribers purely by posting inside factory product manufacturing videos. And there is another channel on top of that with 14,000 subscribers doing this exact same style of content. And it does not stop there. So many other creators are pulling in millions of views consistently just by posting these kinds of AI factory videos on their channels. And they are literally making thousands of dollars every single month. So without wasting a single second, let me show you how you can create these for completely free right now. Head straight to the description below and open the detailed prompt I have already written for you. Copy the entire prompt carefully from start to finish, without missing a single word. Now open ChatGPT, paste the full prompt directly in, and hit enter. Within just a few seconds, ChatGPT will present you with a set of ready-made factory options. And here is something that will save you even more time. It automatically generates full manufacturing video prompts for those options right here, without you having to do anything extra. You can move forward with any of these directly, or if you have your own factory idea in mind, simply copy it, paste it in, and hit enter. ChatGPT will instantly produce a complete set of AI factory video prompts built around your chosen idea. Once your prompts are ready, copy the first video scene prompt and head straight over to Google Flow. Click on New Project, select the video option and click on Ingredients. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9. Choose OmniFlash as your video model and set your video duration to 4 to 6 seconds. Paste the first prompt directly into the field and hit Generate. And within just a couple of seconds, your first AI factory scene will be completely finished and sitting right in front of you. Now click on that video scene, hit the 3 dots, and select Add to Prompt. This tells Google Flow to use your first scene as a visual reference for the next one, keeping everything consistent and connected throughout your entire video. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the second video scene prompt, paste it in, and hit enter. Your second scene will be ready within seconds. Simply repeat this exact same process for every remaining scene, until your full factory video is completely built out. For this tutorial, I have generated 5 video scenes to show you the full quality and consistency of the results. Once all your scenes are done, download every clip and bring them into any video editor you are comfortable with. Arrange all your scenes carefully in the correct sequence from start to finish, so the manufacturing process flows naturally and logically from one scene into the next. Once everything looks clean and polished, hit Export, and your viral AI factory manufacturing video is completely finished and ready to post. Now let's watch the result together. So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches the moment they drop.